Here we got 1969 Pontiac Firebird convertible, guys, with its Pontiac 350 automatic power steering, power disc brakes as well. Nice exterior paint, guys. Nice chrome, nice trim. The glass is nice. You got your factory Pontiac wheels with the BFGs all around. All the trim is pretty nice on the car too. You have door sill plates that are newer, have been replaced. Door jambs in and out are in good condition, guys. This weather stripping will need to be replaced, as you can see there. But original pinch welds here, very solid. Nice door panels, nice factory seats, rear seat as well. Brand new power top on the vehicle as well. Nice dash pad, factory center console, guys. Pretty solid. Paint is nice on the car. Like I said, great reflection. Nice chrome. Again, weather stripping been replaced in the trunk. Super clean back here with the shock towers. If you guys need financing, go to MGMClassicCars.com and we'll be able to take care of you there. Okay. You do have an option list that we offer here at MGM Classic Cars. We are a one-stop shop. We have a full service department. So if you guys need a few things on the car, and if you are financing, you can roll all those extra costs, all those options into your loan amount. So option number one would be like a Kenwood stereo system package that we have. It's with Alexa, Bluetooth. We mount it, install. You got we put two kick panel speakers in the front, and we put two speakers in the back on this one. Even though it's a convertible, we'll definitely get it in there. So we have that package available for extra cost. It's about $13.95 extra cost installed. We got a rear view backup camera system that we can install for $3.95. It's a 7-inch LED screen as well. We have ceramic coating if you want this car ceramic coated for $6.95. We can also do that. We can tint the windows. That you'll have to get a quote on with your sales rep. So those are some of the things. Warranty packages now here at MGM start at $695. So ask about that as well. So yeah, so for financing, guys, you will need two things. You will need good credit. A score about 620 to about 775 gets you a good chance, obviously, of financing the vehicle with 10% down of the purchase price. Okay, that's all you got to put down is 10% of the purchase price. All the additional options that you want to do, even a wheel and tire package, suspension package, stuff like that, you can add that into your loan. You have to talk to your sales rep about pricing. So keep that in mind. For those of you who have a 780 and above score, possible no money down option is available here at MGM Classic Cars. Rates start at about 7%, so keep that in mind. For delivery, call or text me. Grab your pen, pencil, let me know. I will need your zip code. If you call me, that's fine. If I don't answer, I'm doing this. So I can't answer. So you would leave me your voicemail, year, make, model, and your zip code. Don't forget that, and I'll get that over to you. Open or enclosed carrier, depends where you're at and what the weather conditions are. I mean, right now we got beautiful weather here in August 2025. So for those of you who... Let's see, delivery. Okay, so you got that. Delivery, yeah. So if you want to text me, that'll be quicker, that'll be better, that'll be faster. Text me your year, make, model, and zip code to 847-848-1850. Guys, gals, did we fire this thing up yet? Let's do that. Sounds good. Fun convertible, guys, here at MGM. You got my number. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.